Going on, y'all? We're gonna dive into some charts real quick. Y'all got a little video at the end y'all need to check out if y'all are interested in investing in crypto. It'll be a good little video to watch. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. We'll get on into them charts. First flag, that was 2017-18 flag. You had that big run up, and it looks eerie similar to this other flag right here that I got drawn. I believe where we're at right here is back where we were back here. So are we done with the crypto market? I mean, by this, it kind of looks like we'll have a little run up right here, and then we'll be consolidating if it's a 4-year cycle. But I'm not so sure that it is. Could always be considering this right here as a flag, and that could be the run up because we didn't have that up here. This could be the first flag also if we got an extended cycle. But if that's the case, when we hit outside this around May or June, should see a very big rise if that's the case we're going with right here. But I'd like to show y'all that. Not financial advice. None of my videos are. So just keep watching. Put your comment below what y'all think this could mean. Just wanted to give that information to y'all. Alright, we're going to cover the EOS chart. Got two flags drawn up right here. This was May 19, 2019 flag where we broke out. Here we got the flag we're working on now where we've broken out. Around the 14th of March we broke out, and we've been uptrending since then. We've had almost a dollar in price increase since breaking out of that flag. So this is the EOS chart. We're looking for maybe a run up, or let's say at least this length here, which would probably put us around the $9 range. If we're in a bull cycle still, this thing could pop off and go a lot higher. I mean, we're talking, if this is extended cycle and this is just the main, just to be the main run, we could be looking at a $50 EOS or higher. Not financial advice, just a little throwing that out there, you know. So that's how we have the EOS chart. So now we're going to take a look at the Litecoin chart. It's one of my personal favorite projects. Right in here, 2019, you had that flag came in, and then slight breakout. Looking at a similar situation on a much larger scale here. We just broke out on, it's around the 21st of March. We cleared that bull flag right there. And now we're kind of trending, trying to find support right here. Let me draw that support line real quick. It's going to be right in there. Trying to find support on that line. And that's the dash chart. This thing could run this, and you're probably looking at getting back up to $400 when it runs. Now get into Litecoin. This is a little more tricky here because you got this big rise right here. So I don't know if this is forming like a inside flag on this main flag here. If that's the case, I'm looking for a run up to about 169 and then a break back down and then a pop off. But if we're following this other flag, we've already had a breakout, which I do not think we're following that, because we wouldn't have had this big impulse here. It's the reason I've drawn a double flag over this. And some other analysts could chime in and see what we're looking at here. Some no perfect analysis. But if we're following that, and we got another run to hit this line, looking like 170 or something. Could fall back down and then take a run up. And if you're running up from here, you got a pretty good $400 plus Litecoin probably. We're looking at Ethereum now. Showing this flag here where it broke. And I'm going to show this flag here where we're broken out. On the 20th. 14th of March probably. So I had that run up. We are trying to find some support here. So the support we're working with right now is probably going to be right in there. So if we can hold this support and then get another move up, that might be the run we're looking for on Ethereum. Alright, looking at the link real quick. Don't have as much data going back for Link as we do a lot of the other cryptocurrencies. You got this bull flag here, and then we had this massive run up. Now we're working on this flag here. Could break it out right now here in like the next few days, maybe a week. If you break out now, or you could consolidate back down and possibly break out here. Now, I'm not heavily invested in Link, but if we're gonna get a run up, I'd be buying it now, or I'd wait for this break right here if it's gonna break out. And I'd be up if you can get to like $20, $19 to $20. That'd probably be a good entering point. If it breaks down, I'd be cautious to see where we're going with it, because it could break down all the way to $12.50 and get down in this channel. So keep an eye on that. What's going on? We're going to take a quick look at how to invest in crypto video here. It was released a little bit earlier today, so we'll do that now.
Now, over the last week, there's been another big surge in Bitcoin's value. And overall, the entire cryptocurrency market surged 6%. That jump comes as a new survey reveals more than 3 out of 4 investment apps users have some type of crypto in their portfolio. So joining me now to take a deeper dive into this exploding new market, Brooks Wallace, the head of communications for Blockchain.com. Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, Laura.
So every single person has heard of the word cryptocurrency at this point, but many people have no idea what it really is, and it can be a little intimidating. How would you explain it to people?
Yes. So crypto at its most basic level is a form of digital money. And there's a few things that make it really different than things like the US dollar, for example. So it is not controlled by a central authority like the Federal Reserve, for example, which makes it extremely peer-to-peer, and it puts power to the people. It is also built on something called a blockchain, which is a ledger technology that is immutable, which means it cannot be tampered with, so your crypto is safe.
And your company, again, Blockchain.com, is one of the ways to buy and sell this this currency. And it really, I think when I explain it to people, it's just a really safe way to send money. And I think that should be kind of comforting to people.
Absolutely. Yes. Blockchain.com is one of the oldest and the most widely used platforms for transacting in crypto for consumers and also for institutions. And actually, we have 82 million wallets around the world in more than 200 countries today, which is really a testament to how much crypto is being used by the mainstream today.
And you know, I actually think the U.S. might be a little bit late to the game because crypto across the world is so globally used. I mean, do you really think it's going to be the future here in the U.S.?
Absolutely. We at Blockchain.com absolutely believe that crypto is the future of finance. 2021 was a year that crypto really arrived on the world stage in a mainstream way. And we really believe that the internet is going to be the world's largest economy by 2030, and crypto is the platform that will support it.
And you know, you can actually really use it for your retirement a little bit. I don't know if you can hit on that for me.
There's many ways to invest in crypto. I mean, the easiest way to get started is by opening a crypto wallet, and you can do that right on blockchain.com. People are using it in the form of ETF investments as well. Last year was the very first ETF by Pro Shares, which was a big milestone in the industry. But crypto can be used by everyday investors who want to save for retirement as well. One of the most beneficial strategies that we've seen is called dollar cost averaging. And this is where anybody like you and I just buys a little bit of crypto over a long period of time and then holds it. For example, the return on investment can be high, right? 600% increase is in the price of Bitcoin over the last 2 years alone.
And that just goes to show you sometimes it seems like a scary market, but the payoff is so huge. Again, it seems like a very intimidating market for a lot of people at home. What do you wish people knew about this new finance realm?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think what I wish people knew about crypto is that it's easy. If you can use an app like Uber or Facebook, then you have the skills you need to buy crypto. You head right to blockchain.com or another provider. You open a wallet, just like a Venmo account or a bank account, and you can start buying and trading cryptocurrency. That right off the bat, you're a crypto investor. I also wish that people knew that crypto was safe. There has been some nefarious actors using crypto for illegal purposes. However, that is the minority. And also crypto is open source, meaning you can see every transaction on the blockchain. So it makes it a pretty bad place to commit a crime.
That's the best way to put it. It's a really safe realm. And again, we see it being used so much in Miami already. So it's just going to expand. Brooks Wallace with blockchain.com. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
So I'm going to stop that video right there real quick. Still got a little bit longer in there. John, head on over to news4jacks.com. They had that coverage of that story there. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you check this video out right here. Talking UNC, North Carolina. Game tonight. Y'all hit it up. Check that video out. Y'all have a good one.